Question number 23. The following are data cleaning methods for missing values. So their answer is first A, JK and L. Grouping records mean imputation and nearest neighbor filling all the handle missing values. Outlier detection does not handle the missing values, so M is incorrect. Question number 24. The following are modeling philosophies. So their answer is JKLM. It means all four listed are indeed modeling philosophies, guiding model choice and interpretation. They address simplicity, generalization, limits of models, and probabilistic thinking. Question number 25. The following are distance measured. So their answer is A, J, K, L, M, and M. All four are leg- legitimate distance similarity measures used to machine learning. They apply to different types data types, numeric, vector based, and probability based. Question number 26. Match the distributions in column 1 with the key property in column 2. So, uh, their options. So, their answer is uh, binomial distribution has mean is equal to NP and variance is equal to NPQ. Normal is symmetric position as mean is equal to variance is equal to gamma. Power law has long trail. Each column one item perfectly matches its standard statistical probability property. Question number 27. Match the term in column 1 with definition in column 2. So, reducible error can be loaded by the later module. Irreducible error cannot be reduced. Overfitting means high variance. Undefitting means high bias. This aligns with the bias variance interpretations in ML. Question number 28. Match the ML algorithm in column 1 with the characteristics in column 2. Linear regression predicts numerical values by the minimizing RSS logistic regression output sigmoid based probabilities. K-means uses centroid decision. Centroid decision trees use branching and overfit easily. Each mapping matches text box definition. Match the big data tool in column 1 and column 1 with the function in column 2. So SDFC is a distributed file system. MapReduce is a parallel processing model. Yarn handles job scheduling. Spark process data in memory using RDD. This matches the architecture of the head of ecosystem. Question number 30. Assertion A correlation does not simply causation reason it measures the degree of relationship but not cause effect. So the answer is A, both A and R are true and R is correctly explain A. Correlation only shows how strongly variable moves together, not whether one cause the other. Thus the reason correctly explain why correlation does not prone causation. Question number 31. Assertion gradient descent uses learning rate alpha for step size. Reason it minimizes cost in linear regression. So their answer is B. Both A and R are true, but R does not explain A. Gradient descent indeed uses learning rate alpha and it does minimize cost in linear regression. But the reason does not explain why learning the rate is used. So R is not explaining A. Question number 32. Assertion neural network are universal approximators reason they can approximate any complex function with enough layers. Their answer is A. Both A and are true and R explains correctly. The universal approximate theorem states that neural networks can approximate any function with enough neural and layers. Thus, the reason directly explains the assertion. Question number 33 assertion in SQL join combines rows based on related columns. Reason is it handles data from multiple tables. So their answer is both A and R. True and R explanation A correctly. Join indeed connects rows using the matching columns, allowing the retrieval from multiple tables. The reason directly support and explain the assertion. Question number 34. Arrange the steps in K-float cross validation. So their answer is JKLM. K-float CV first split data, then train validation validates on the fault, repeat K times, and finally averages errors. This is the standard workflow of K-fault cross validation. Question number 35. Arrange the gradient descent algorithm in correct order. So their answer is LJKM. First choose learning rate, then compute the gradient, then update parameter and repeat the until convergence. This following the typical optimization produce, produced in gradient descents. Question number 36. Arrange the k-means step in correct order. So their answer is KJLM. K-means start with random centroid assignment, then assign points, computes naive centroid and repeats. The process continues until the centroid slope changing. Question number 37. Erase the map reduce process. Their answer is JKLM. Map reduce first map data, then shuffles short shuffle short keys, then reduce them, and finally output results. This is the standard sequence optimally. Question number 40. Arrange the head of data flow order. So their answer is JKLM. Data is first order in HDFS. Yarn schedule task map reduce processes the data and output goes back to HDFS. This flows head of execution pipeline. And thank you for the watching.